Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all a quick little lock update video. I've been locked for a year and almost a year and 9 months. So that's 21 months, right? Oh my gosh, is my brain really that fried? But I washed my hair earlier today before I started working. So it's honestly kind of dry. So I'm gonna have to put some more water in here before I start twisting it up, because you don't want to retwist your hair on no dry hair. So this is the front. I know we looking crazy. The side. Here's our back. And this side. So when I check back in, hopefully my hair is looking a lot better. I'm back. I just set the clips out my head. I left them in for about 5 hours and let my hair air dry. And I think it's mostly dry, so I'm good to get ready to go to bed. I'm happy with the way this retwist turned out this time, because the last time I did my hair, I really didn't like the way my retwist turned out. So yeah, I think this is much better. Still room for improvement, but I'm happy with this. And I remember my last vlog video, I said I wasn't gonna wait as long in between retwists. And honestly, I think I waited just as long as I did last time, if not longer. So I think it's been like 6.5 weeks, maybe 7 weeks since my last retwist. And honestly, before I washed my hair today, it had been almost 2.5 weeks. And I think that's honestly the longest I've gone without washing my hair. So I guess I can do that now and more so get away with it because my locks are more mature now. But yeah, I'm happy how they turned out. And if you have any questions about my lock journey, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for any other lock videos that y'all want to see, leave them in the comments too. But until next time, y'all, bye.